Hi everyone, my name is Tapan Pathak. I'm a Cooperative Extension Specialist. I'm with UC Ag and Natural Resources as well as with University of California in Merced. I work on climate adaptation in agriculture and I have a statewide appointment. So today's workshop is part of this big project funded by USDA and NIFA called Multifaceted Pathways to Climate Smart Agriculture through Participatory Program Development and Delivery. Well, so this is the project we got funded last year, and we have four main components in this project. The first one is the stakeholder need assessment, and so what we are trying to do is gather information from farmers, ranchers, both large scale, small scale, as well as technical service providers and other entities, and so just to understand perceptions related to climate, what sort of challenges and barriers regarding adaptation practices, and more importantly, the priorities, like how can we address some of the resource needs and other aspects of climate smart agriculture. So what we are doing now is gathering that information through survey, focus groups, and interviews with farmers and ranchers. And then using that information to really guide our training for technical service providers and doing these workshops. And then we also have the student capacity building component. So it's a lot of collaborations, and we have partners and collaborators on this project who are helping us with various aspects of this project. And so there is a QR code. So we are conducting this survey, as I said in the beginning, and this is we put it out probably 2 weeks ago, or maybe a little bit more, and so it's still active. So if you want to provide your opinion, please do so. It's really important for us to guide our program. And if you want to take your QR code with it, we have the printouts out there as well. Okay, so we have a really packed agenda today. We have a lot of important talks, and what I can say about this is the way I define climate smart agriculture is we should consider all aspects of climate and agriculture and how can we manage agriculture under these risks. So we'll start with this broader overview of what climate change brings to California, and then followed by talks with respect to pest management, water resources, and then some field updates.